Alright, so I basically started off by adding the buzzard right here. And then we got the 3 capacitors, the 104 and the 230s. Let's keep it going. Okay, so I added 3 more items. We got this right here, the resistor packs with the A and the 1 and the 0. Then we added the electrolytic capacitors right here. And last, we added the transistors right here. And that's it. Let's keep it going. Okay, so I proceeded by adding what is called the crystal oscillators right here, the silver thing where it says 12. Then I added the resistors right here. Boop. And boop. Another thing to remember was back when I added the electrolytic capacitors right here, it's important to remember to have the positive side on the longer side. Make sure the string right here, I said the string, this part right here is longer. The positive side has to be longer. Remember that. Let's keep it going. So now I connected the buttons. I soldered the buttons. I said connected. Soldered the buttons. 1, 2, and something I forgot to mention on the other part of the video was this right here, the power supply. I added the power supply. I also added the what is called the circuit, and on top of the circuit I put the chip. So next I'm gonna put the clock, which is right over here. Let's do this. Alright, so we should be good to go. I added the clock, and that's pretty much it. Just remember to trim the bottom, the extra solder in the bottom, and you should be good to go. Let's test it. I'll show you guys what happens right now. The lights turn on. Yay! But here's the thing. The effects are always inconsistent, so this might happen now. Next time, everything goes on and the buzz goes on. They're inconsistent because I don't know, but I assume it's because right here in this particular part, I overheated it, so I guess it kind of messed with the current flow. But yeah, it's not at 100%, but it's still valid. What
a soldering joint on.
You know damn well this is gonna wake you up.